Yeah, because he's a full-blooded American bully mixed with a bull mastiff.
Okay.
So he's like 200 pounds.
What's up, y'all? I'm here with Robert. He's picking up his dog bowl today. He said it looks much better in person. It looks wet, but that's how that epoxy look. We got epoxy on the front. See that shine? Same thing with the back. Shining, you can see me. Put some burn marks right there. And believe it or not, this is our first stained dog bowl we made. Everything I ever made has been painted. Y'all, we're here with Robert. We just got a few questions for him today. So what do you think about it when you first saw it?
I love it. It's an awesome food bowl box. It's well crafted. Everything looks good on it. The stain looks amazing.
All right. Would you recommend us to somebody else?
Yes, I would recommend you all to anybody I know.
Yes. And what do you think about the price range?
Price is good. I think the price is fair for this kind of craftsmanship.
Yes. And what about turnaround time?
Turnaround time, good. Was able to place the order fast, and everything was done in a timely fashion. I'm happy with it.
I'm on the way up. 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 Been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up.